what are these government agencies that you have audited?
Ang mga na-audit ko po is mga local government units, government-owned and controlled corporations, at saka po mga national government agencies na kasama po dito ang Office of the Vice President at Department of Education.
When you say Office of the Vice President, who? Which Vice President specifically during your term, during your current position from 2014 to the present, which Vice President have you audited in terms of confidential funds?
Nung magsimula po ako sa COA, sa ICFAO, ang na-audit ko lang po na liquidation documents ng Office of the Vice President ay kay Vice President Sara Duterte.
Bakit siya lang, Madam Witness?
Dahil nga po from 2014 hanggang sa ngayon po, yung na-submit po sa amin na liquidation documents is sa confidential fund po ni VP Sara.
Okay. Mga sinubmit sa inyo?
Opo.
You also mentioned na nag-audit ka sa Office of the DepEd, Department of Education. Sino-sino mga secretaries ng DepEd ang na-audit mo para sa confidential funds?
Sa DepEd naman po, ang na-audit ko lang po na liquidation documents na nasubmit sa office namin is liquidation documents sa confidential fund ni Vice President Sara Duterte noong siya ay Secretary of Education.
Okay, bakit? Bakit si Secretary of DepEd Sara Duterte lang?
Dahil po from 2014 to present, siya lang po yung Secretary of Education na may confidential fund.